Hi students, welcome to Standard 7 Science online class. I hope all are safe and fine at home by the grace of God. Okay, children, this is your second unit electricity. Okay, already we have discussed some topics, children. Today we are going to learn batteries. Okay, children, how many of you seen the battery? Yeah, I think many of you seen the battery, children. You know, batteries, their cells are connected. Okay, cells means only one single terminal, positive and negative terminal. Battery means they are connected to cells. Two cells combine to form a battery. This is clear to you, children. Yeah. So batteries are a collection of one or more cells. Okay, chemical reactions create to flow of electric current here. Okay, and who has invented the battery, children? Luigi Galvani. Okay, the fatful day in 1780s, Italian physicist. Okay, physician, biologist, and philosopher also. Luigi Galvani was dissecting of a frag attached to the brass hook. What will happen as he touched the frog leg with an iron cap? Okay, the leg twitched. And see this nice picture, children. Galvanic theorized the energy came from their leg itself. But his fellow scientist, again Alexandro Volta, believed otherwise. So Volta hypothesized the frog's leg impulses were they actually they cause the different metals soaked in the liquids. Okay, and see this nice picture Volta. Okay, here's Alexandro Volta picture. The invention of modern battery is often attributed to Alexandro. Volta actually started the surprising accident involving the dissection of a frog. And the next one is electric switch. There are different types of switch there. Children, can you remember what you uh, what you did last year to turn the current on or off? Yeah, you know the our country faces the shortage of electricity. Children, the wastage of electricity means you are depriving the someone of else the electricity. Okay, day to day life we are losing so much of electricity, children. We must use the electricity as long as we need in our household activities. Yes, so in our day to day life we use the switch on or off. The current means power on, power off. Okay, on means what? You may have use the different kinds of switches to turn your household electrical appliances, children. Yeah, switches helps to start or stop the appliances safely and easily. See this different types of switches, children. Tapping key. So this type of key you are using the laboratory, children. 11th and 12th plug key, toggle switch, rocker switch, and illuminated switch, slide switch. So these are all the different types of switches. Okay, this is clear to you, children. Yeah. So see the circuit diagrams, children. Yeah, this is a nice picture, children. Circuit diagram. Yeah, symbols they are given. Okay, positive and negative symbols. And this is the electric line wire. Okay, this is first one is called it as battery. Okay, energy source, positive terminal and the negative terminal. Next one is straight line. That means wire connects electrical component to one to another, usually insulated with a rubber converting. Second one is bulb. This symbol is denoting bulb. That means light source. Consists of metal filaments, glass bulb, and metal casing and metal tip. Next one is what? Symbol. Okay, that means key is open. First one, key is closed. Control the flow of electric current. Here the electrical appliance components, children, they are closed and open. Electrical conductors, metals such as copper ion. And here the electric current flows in the circuit, bulbs light up. Again, open means what? The electric current flows in the electric circuit, bulbs does not light up. The last one is electrical insulators, wood, glass, plastic, rubber. See, these are all the best examples of insulators. Okay, this is clear to you, children. Yeah. Next one is electric circuit. Electric circuit means what? The current flows from positive directions to the negative direction. And see this here diagram, children. Yeah, they are using cell. Okay, negative terminal, positive terminal. We are using ammeter and bulb. Next one is key is open or closed, children. Here key is open. Okay, so the current flows from the what direction? This is called it as what inconventional current. Okay, next one is do you know, children? All muscles in our body moves in the response of electrical impulses generated naturally in our body, children. Yeah, muscles impulses. Okay, you need some amount of energy. You have to using some amount of work you have to do. Types of electrical circuit. Types of electrical circuit. We have a very important types of electrical circuit, children. Series circuit and parallel circuit. Series circuit means they are using two kinds of circuits can be made with a two bulbs and a cell. Okay, this experiment we shall make one of them and study it. See this nice picture. Yeah, so they are joined with a cell and they are connected with the bulb. Okay, cell with bulb. This is a series connection. Okay. Okay, children, see the parallel circuit. Okay, see this picture, children. Yeah, nice picture. And here the two bulbs, they are connected towards the parallel connections, children. They are second type of circuit. Okay, two bulbs in the circuit are said to be connected in parallel. And this type of circuits are called parallel circuit. So sometimes they are asking the diagram only, children. Draw the diagram of parallel circuit. You draw this type of circuits. Okay, and similarity and difference between the series and parallel circuit. This is the difference, children. Yeah, series and parallel, so just go through. And science to mind pricking. Okay, you know, different types of shockings there. Okay, and some amount of electrical shock, electrical fault into your homes, they get a current shock. Okay, fine. And see here, children. Yeah, short circuit, you know, you might have observed the spark in the electrical pole located in your house. Did you know, children, the cause of electric spark? Short circuiting. Okay, that is electricity along with the path. The short circuit is simply low resistance connection between the two conductors. That is the main reason, children. There are two types of short circuits, children. One is conductors, another one is insulators. Conductors means they will conducting the electricity. Insulators means what? That is not conducting the electricity. Okay, conductors means good conductor of electricity, conducting the electric circuits, electric current. Insulators means they do not conducting the electric current. Okay, and you know, children, they are free electrons moves the positive directions. Okay, find the based on the properties of conductors of electricity. They are classified in two types. One is conductors, another one is insulators. Conductors and insulators. And see the conductors, children, first. Yes, see here, conductors are the materials whose atoms have electrons are closely, that means conductors means loosely bound, they are free to move their materials. And see this picture, conductors offer less resistance of electricity. In general, here the electrons flows through the constants of electric currents. It's a good conductor of high electrical conductivity in the above activity. You know, conductors means conducting the electric current, that's all. Okay, and it is a good conductor of electricity, that's all. And next one is insulators. This is also the two more questions, children. Okay, and see the insulators, children. Insulators means those materials which do not have enough free electrons or not a good, okay, at conducting the electricity. We can see the would be poor conductors. Okay, does not conducting the electricity, that is called it as poor conductors of electricity, they are called insulators. Okay, fine. Okay, children, see this picture of insulators which gives a high resistance here, children. Yeah, next move for the next one. See the sim, you see the sim card, children, ATM cards. Yeah, so the chip we are used to the SIM cards, computers, ATM cards are made up of what? Semiconductor materials. Okay, that is a silicon and germanium because their electrical conductivity lies between the conductors and insulators. This is clear to you, children? Yeah. And you see the rubber eraser does not allow the electric current to pass through them. So rubber is a non-conductors of electricity. This is a very important example, children. And you see, children, wires are made up of copper and the electrical conductors, children. Yeah, copper wires are used to carry the current in the household appliances, children. Yeah, that is a very best examples of conductors. Materials of high electrical resistance, their materials are usually made up of what? Flexible plastics. And effects of electric current, there are three types of effects of electric current, children. One is a heating effect. Okay. Another one is a magnetic effect. Third one is a chemical effect. Heating effect means already you know. So heating is the best example. Effect is what heating means. Best example is kettle. See the kettle, electric kettle. Yeah, the electric current passed through the wire. The electrical energy is converted into heat. Here the electrical energy is converted to the heat energy. This is a heating appliances, children. Yes. And nickel, chromium, ion, alloy of nickel. So these are all the best examples of heating effect, children. Yeah. Electrical bulbs, geyser, and iron box, immersible water heater are based on this effect. This appliances okay, have heating coils of high resistance. This generation of heat due to the electric current is known as what? Heating effect of electricity. And next one is factors affecting heating effect of current. Three factors they are affecting, children. One is heat electric current. Next one is resistance. Third one is time for which current flows. And next one is electric fuse. Fuse wire. Yeah, this is a very important one. Yeah, you see the two ends, children, positive and negative end. So electric fuse is a safety device, children, which is used in the household wiring and appliances, children. Here the fuse of the body is made up of ceramic and two points of connecting to the fuse wire. So here the fuse wire melts whenever there is a overload of the current in the wire. It breaks the circuit, helps to preventing the damage of costly appliances to the wiring. Here the electrical devices, the glass fuse is often used. Glass, some glass tubes which is effect lies in the fuse wire. This is clear to children? Yeah. And they give, see this breaker, children. MCB breaker. This is a miniature circuit breaker, that is called it as MCB. And this is a miniature circuit breaker. Okay, this type of breaker is automatically, it will be off. If any fire accident in your house is immediately, it will be switches off. Okay. And the next one is what? Magnetic effect of electricity. Magnetic effect means what? You know, yeah, that is a magnetic effect means the next effect of electric current is magnetism already. In 1819, Hans Christian Ørsted discovered the electricity of magnetic effects. So this applying applications of magnetic effect, children. It's a very much famous effects. The magnetic effect of electric current has been used in the making powerful electromagnets. Electromagnets are used to remove the splinters of steel or iron in hospitals dealing with eye injuries. Okay, this type of electromagnets are used in the many appliances that we use in our day-to-day life, children. So electric bell, cranes and telephones. So these are all the best applications, children. Yeah. And you see the telephone, children, that is called it as diaphragm. And the telephone changing the magnetic effect causes the sheet of the metal, that is called it as diaphragm. This is attached to the spring that is fixed to the earpiece. Okay. And next one is when the current flows through the wires, the soft iron bar becomes the electromagnet. This is clear to children? Yeah. And next, you see this picture, children, nice picture. Yeah. This is the earphone, children. Yeah, diaphragm. Yeah, this diaphragm becomes attached to the electromagnet. Okay. And here the person's other end, the line speaks. The voices there come easily, we have to catch. Okay, this causes of diaphragm is air force to vibrate, producing the sound. Children, who has invented the instrument of a gramophone? Who's invented, children? Yeah, you know the names. Yeah, it is called it as Edison. Okay, see this nice picture, children. Edison picture. Yeah, he's a Edison, children. He's discovered the light. Edison, Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Alva Edison invented the commercially, okay, viable electric bulb. This was exhibited in 1897. 1897. Okay, fine. This is clear to children. Have any doubt? No. Okay, children. This lesson is over, children. I'll give you the 1 marks and question answers also, children. And the remaining question answers I'll give you the 1 marks also, children. Next class we will discuss the new lesson, biology lesson, children. Complete your assignment, report in the group without fail. Thank you, children.